Hey, we're live. I was just looking going, hey, that's weird. This is only $1 right now. I thought the Smart Poster Seller was supposed to be $17. So maybe they're having some upgrade offers and you can get in on the basic one they show you here. And it's all about, let's show you here, PLR edition, the ebook that turns beginners into printable content creators and how you can brand, sell, and profit yourself. So if you're interested in creating printables, so this is selling on Gumroad, Etsy, Amazon Kindle, your own website. This is fully editable. You have the full PLR rights to it, and then this is going to show you exactly how to create PLR posters. So here, this is inside the product. It's your all-in-one toolkit to create using AI prompts, posters, templates, mockups to launch in minutes. So I'm just going to scroll a little bit further down here. Bit of information about all the stuff that's included. You can check that out. The link, by the way, is in the video description. It'll take you to my page at the at marketingsharks.com, and then it's called the Smart Poster PLR. There's a link at the bottom. There's a piece here that you can just, or the copy of the product box. You can click that and away you go. I can hear some kind of rumbling, awful sound. So I'm going to cut this short. Click the link. It's $1. You want to make posters, you want to make printables, you want to do print on demand kind of stuff using artificial intelligence. This is everything you need to know how to make it, how to sell it. You can see here a step-by-step guide to selling it on Etsy, Kindle, your own website. Everything's all there for you. And of course, it's $1. So check it out. I won't go on anymore. Click the link and go check it out for $1. It's called the Smart Poster Seller PLR, fresh out today. Enjoy.